Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of mini drones. These tiny marvels are all the rage right now, and we've handpicked the top 5 best mini drones that you absolutely need to check out. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pilot, these mini drones are sure to blow you away. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Our first contender is the DJI Spark. Known for its compact design and impressive features, the DJI Spark is perfect for beginners. It's equipped with a high-quality camera, intelligent flight modes, and gesture controls that make it incredibly fun to fly. Plus, it's so small that it can fit in the palm of your hand, making it a breeze to take on your adventures. Number 2. Next up, we have the Holy Stone HS720E. This mini drone is a fantastic choice for aerial photography enthusiasts. It boasts a 4K camera with a 90-degree adjustable angle, providing stunning high-resolution footage. The HS720E also impresses with its stable flight performance, long battery life, and advanced GPS features, ensuring you capture those epic shots effortlessly. Number 3. Don't underestimate the Rise Teo because of its size. This mini drone may be tiny, but it's packed with potential. Designed in partnership with DJI and powered by Autel, the Teo offers a remarkable range of features at an affordable price. It's a perfect pick for beginners and educational purposes, thanks to its programmable interface that allows you to learn coding while having a blast. Number 4. Let's move on to the Autel Robotics EVO Lite. This mini drone is a great option for those looking for a portable and powerful flying companion. With its foldable design, the EVO Lite can easily fit into your bag, so you never miss a chance to capture incredible moments. Its 4K camera and advanced flight modes ensure you get professional quality footage without breaking the bank. Number 5. Last but certainly not least, we have the Parrot Anify. This mini drone stands out with its unique 180-degree vertical tilt gimbal, allowing you to capture shots from exciting new angles. The 4K HDR camera and extended flight time make the Anify a top choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Plus, its compact and foldable design makes it easy to carry around wherever you go. And there you have it, folks. Our top 5 best mini drones that are sure to elevate your aerial photography and drone flying experience. Remember, always follow your local regulations and guidelines when flying drones. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Happy flying, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.